Hey, what's up guys? Houston here. Look, if you're needing help with funding to pay up some past due bills, or you're needing to try to get some money to pay to get your car fixed, or you're trying to get a little money for a down payment on a car, I'm going to tell you a bank that may be able to help you. All right. Now, this bank is BMO. All right. And they offer personal loans. All right. And as you can see here, their personal loans goes anywhere from 9.89 and up. Right. But here's the thing about it with BMO, a lot of people are not aware of. Let's look at the loans now. They start from $5,000 and they go up to $35,000. But how would you like to know how to actually get a personal loan from BMO with 0%? That's right, 0%. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, here's the thing about it. I want you guys to understand. When I tell you all about when you're trying to get a loan, I always tell you instead of a loan to go after a line of credit. And BMO offers a line of credit. All right, and as you can see here, with their personal line of credit is 12.90. That's their lowest on their line of credit. And their line of credit goes anywhere from 500 up to 15,000. All right. Now, here's the reason why. If you can get both, I would get both the personal loan and the line of credit. But again, I'm going to show you how to get a 0% interest loan with them. But the reason why I would definitely choose the line of credit is because when you borrow the line of credit and you max out the line of credit, you can pay it down and keep on using it. Now, when you borrow that personal loan, what happens is that when you pay it, you have to apply for that loan again. So that's the reason I tell you to go for a line of credit. All right. Now, the line of credit, of course, you can use to pay down credit card debts. Say that you want to pay down an extra payment on your mortgage, or, you may decide you want to go to the car auction and get yourself a little car to put on Toro or something. Using the line of credit is the best because, again, you can use it, pay it down, and use that line of credit again. Here's the thing about it. I want you all to understand about BMO. BMO, they use TransUnion. But the thing about it, when most people think about TransUnion, they think TransUnion FICO 8. No, they use TransUnion Vantage 4 score. That's right, a Vantage 4 score is what they use. So what that means is that with a Vantage score, you can have authorized users on the credit file. You can have utilities reporting to the credit file. You can have subscriptions reporting to the credit file. You can have rental payments reporting to the credit file, okay? And they will calculate that in to your Vantage score. This is the reason why when you go to like Credit Karma or something like that, and your Vantage score may be higher than your FICO 8 score because they calculate in different data. Now with Credit Karma, they give you a Vantage TransUnion 3 score. All right. Now the difference between that TransUnion 3 score from Credit Karma and that TransUnion 4 score from BMO is that with the new scoring system, the TransUnion Vantage 4 score, they're not going to look at medical bills. They're not going to be looking at liens as well. They're not going to be looking at evictions, okay? So there's certain things that are calculated in the 3 that they don't calculate in no more on the 4 system. So this is why this is a good bank, all right? So that being said, one of the things I would tell you guys, definitely, if you are working a W-2 job and you need an infuse of cash, okay, what you can do is go to your HR and you can request for them to allow you to file exempt from 3 to 4 months, okay? By you asking for them to do that, they'll stop taking taxes out of your check. By them not taking taxes out of your check, what ends up happening, you're able to bring home your whole paycheck. Your federal taxes, not your state, but your federal taxes, they'll stop taking out. You're able to bring home the majority of your paycheck. Then you would have that money that you can help pay toward bills and stuff like that as well. All right? So that's one way to get a fusion of cash on a daily, right? Or from your job. Now, that being said, how do you get a personal loan from BMO with 0% instead of that 9.9%, right? So this is the way you do it. BMO has these here credit cards here. They have the cash back, they have the platinum BMO credit cards, okay? So you have the BMO cash, you have the BMO platinum card, which offers 0% interest for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. Then they have the BMO Platinum Rewards card as well as the Platinum Rewards credit card. But here's the thing about it with these here credit cards. Where we just pointed out with this 15-month 0% interest on balance transfers, these other three credit cards, they offer 0% interest on purchase and balance transfers for 12 months, okay? So, since these here credit cards are offering you 0% interest on balance transfers and purchases from 12 months up to 15 months, what you want to do once you get approved for one of these credit cards, you want to request a convenience check, okay? And so with that convenience check, you can transfer the money from your credit card over to your checking account. Now you have that capital available without having any interest you're paying on the loan for X amount of months, right? Now you still have to make, of course, your minimum payment, but you're not being charged any interest and stuff like that. So that's how you actually leverage getting a 0% loan from BMO. Now, one of the things I am going to tell you, when you get these credit cards, okay, just keep in mind, by you maxing out that credit card, it will affect your credit score. Your credit score will go lower, all right? Now, my thing is always tell people is that when you have a credit card, you would try to make sure that you're making a weekly, you can either make weekly payments if the credit card company allow, or bi-weekly payments. But what you want to do is whatever the minimum payment is, you probably want to try to add on an extra $100, and then you want to make sure that you make your payments either weekly or bi-weekly, and make sure those payments are received 3 days before the statement date, okay? This really helps your credit score. And by you making multiple payments in a month, definitely influences the credit scoring system as well. Now, again, just remember with BMO, they do pull TransUnion Vantage 4 scores, all right? Now, if you have any other question about business credit funding, personal credit funding, removing negative items off of the credit, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.